Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog.
Welcome back to the vlog.
Yep. What's going on today, guys?
What's going on today, guys?
Polishing party! What's after the polishing party? Competition! Seminole Sound! And cookies, yes, I brought cookies. We're making our horns nice and shiny, as you can see. You can like see your wait, can you see them?
Hello? No, you can't really. Oh yeah, this is before.
And this is after. What's percussion doing, Michael?
Polishing symbols.
Oh yes, so we're all having a polishing party. Here's how the phone's looking. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. How did everyone do?
Excellent. Great. I'm hungry. He's hungry. He's hungry.
I don't know if I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
I'm really hungry.
Well, that's Edwin. I'm hungry.
I am pretty hungry.
Edwin. Yes.
Are you Poppy?
Good boy.
Welcome to the Osceola Warrior Pride Band vlog. This is friend Caitlin, and I've missed her so much.
Known each other since middle school. We've had like crazy lore go on. So like basically we were like running a business.
What place did we get?
First.
The brass trophy! First!
Best brass.
Best brass, no big deal.
The award for Best Auxiliary Color Guard goes to Osceola High School. The award for Best Woodwinds goes to Osceola High School. The award for Best Brass goes to Osceola High School.
What's that on your shirt? That is my zipper. Good boy.